Greetings dear friends and welcome once more to this channel. I am 𝐒𝐭 from 𝐈𝐦𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐿 company. In this tutorial, I'm going to be guiding you on how to install Pipenv, which stands for pipe environment. Before we get started, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. We are going to start by talking about Pipenv. So what is Pipenv? Pipenv is a package manager for Python applications. It lets you to create virtual environments for your Python projects. And it's not just limited to that, it equally helps you to manage your dependency more efficiently. Pipenv equally allows you to install packages for your project in such a way that it doesn't conflict with other versions of the same package used by other projects. So for me to show you how to install Pipenv, you need two tools to be set up. You need 𝐕𝐻𝐻𝐸𝐻 and you must have installed the latest version of Python. So let us move to 𝐕𝐻𝐻𝐸𝐻 code. Here I'm going to start by verifying if we are having Python installed. Check if Python is installed. We are going to type Python version. So you can see that on this computer we have Python 3.13.2 that is installed. The next thing we need to check, we have to check if py is installed too. So we are going to do that using pipe -- version. So you can equally see that we are having py 24.3.1 are installed on this computer. Now that we have verified that Python is installed and Python is installed, we can proceed to installing Pipenv, that is pipe environment. The recommended way to install Pipenv on most platforms is to install it using the command Okay. So now we are going to check if actually Pipenv has been installed. So you can see actually that we are having the message Pipenv command not found. So we are going to copy this part. Yeah, I'm going to search for system environment variables. Then I will move to that variable and I will come here on path, edit. I'm going to close 𝐕𝐻𝐻𝐸𝐻 code, then restart it. So now you can see that we are having Pipenv installed properly. So thank you once more for watching this video, and remember, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below.